All right, good morning, traders. Welcome to the mini Thunderdome. We are live. Today is February 21st, 2023. Hope everybody had a nice extended weekend and ready to trade. It's going to be a challenging morning. Very challenging morning. All right. Start looking at some. I am in no hurry here. There's a report in about 20 minutes. Or is it 40 minutes? I think it's either at 6:45 or 6:50. All right, let's start looking at scenarios. You should have gotten your pre-market analysis. You should have had enough time to study that. All right, scenarios. Here we go. Yeah, it's gonna be tough today. Do not bell and trade. So, scenario one, we're opening at the lows. So, just drive from here all the way to either 68 or 79 and then start making its way down. So there could be a short opportunity here at 68 or 79, and then there could also be a short opportunity at 40.55. We are negative 37, so chances are we'll stay on the negative side. There's OPEX tomorrow, and then from there all the way down to either 40.25 or 4,000. So we need to check if there's liquidity for the buyers to stop it at anywhere. It could also it could be anywhere between actually 40.32 and 40.25. I think it will go to 25, but so there could be a huge pullback all the way to maybe even 4,100. So if you recall last week at these, actually for the past couple of weeks, the extreme highs and lows, complete reversal. So we could see that today. So FOMC tomorrow, they could set themselves up for tomorrow. Scenario 2, go up to 55. So the opening here maybe go down to 46 and then back up to 55 sideways and then shoot for 40.25 or 4,000. Scenario 3, start already at the opening going for lows. It may even go all the way down to 4,000 and then make its way back up. Let me know if there's any issues with the sound, please. Okay, and then 55. So there could be a long opportunity here, maybe at 48. So all the way up. So a long from here, but again, you need to check how it's holding at 25. So then there could be a long from here, and then maybe even a short from here. So I suggest if you're gonna trade, actually, if you're a beginner, today is the same as Monday, and then you have FOMC. So if you're a beginner, you shouldn't even be trading today. That is the honest truth. It's Monday, Tuesday combo, and then FOMC tomorrow. So this week you should be very cautious of your trading. Okay, and then scenario 4 is if the 40s hold and then we start going our way up. So on Friday, let me close this. Friday. Is it going to show? It's not going to show. I don't know why it's not showing. But on Friday, we were stopped at 86. It was very hard to pass 86. So that could be a magnet. Okay? That could be a magnet. Why, hold on a second, data series, why isn't this showing? Load, it should be loading. Let's see if it'll load more days here. Right, I don't know why it didn't load before, but there it is. So all of this here could all be a magnet, okay? And if we break that, chances are we will go and test 4105, okay? Thank you, Todd. All right, so it's going to be challenging morning. Again, if you're, uh, you know, there's a thing with people on evaluations that they're on a hurry to get funded, and that is the wrong way to go about it. You should be, you know, marathon, not a sprint, especially with the amount of money that you guys have. You know, everybody thinks, oh, I have a 25K account, I have 25K. No, you have $1,500. So you should be going for $25 a day, $50 a day. Once you have your account at 3,000, once you double that, then you could be going for 100 a day, 200 a day, and the 50K is when you reach 6,000. Then you should be, you know, doubling your amount. But for some reason, you know, people on the evaluation are in a
Absorption,
hurry.
yes.
Here we go, and that's why they go and blow their accounts. All right, I'm gonna try not to mess with this chart here. All right, best of luck, everybody. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna wait until the report is done, but there could be a short from 55. All right, so all of this green area is poor structure. So that is one of our scenarios going sideways in here to then either break out of 55 for a long, maybe to 68 or to 79, 76 area, or it could hold the market to then have a breakout from a short side. All right, let's open my chart here. And what's going on here? Wow, one of my charts just froze. What happened? That was odd. Oh, we are expecting a huge windstorm here today. It's very unusual for Southern California, but they say we can get winds up to 50 miles per hour. So if I just go offline, is because maybe had some type of power outage. Okay, so be aware of that. All right, so these targets are already out of the way. So there's interest at 54. Another target out of the way. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Oh, bummer. So if you are going to trade, I suggest going for 4 points or 6 maximum. There could be a short opportunity here all the way down to 45 if it doesn't hold. But it looks like it wants to hit that 55. Alright, so let's see how it reacts here at 55. Again, I'm going to wait, but there could be a short opportunity. So it could be a short opportunity now. Anywhere in this area here, there could be a short opportunity. Ooh, I didn't want to do that. Anywhere in here. Short opportunity. To maybe even 32. Alright, hidden order waiting at 53. I forgot to look at the POC. POC right now is at 50. Looks like it's trying to hold, but there's enough interest still at 54. 270 orders, 290 now, waiting. So even though there could be an opportunity, it could be high risk. But again, just because an order is on the book doesn't mean it will get filled. So this could be a start of a short. All the way down to 30. Anywhere within that box. Hidden orders still waiting. 150 orders filled. Let me know. You guys should have gotten a newsletter yesterday. Let me know if you guys are enjoying that. If you're not reading it, let me know, because it takes time to make them. That was after reading 3 articles. So if you're not going to read them, let me know, because that's one less thing for me to do. Because I read the articles, but I don't write, a summary afterwards. So if you guys are not going to read it, let me know. And if you did enjoy it, let me know also. Now, if this hold, this could take the market up to 55 to then have our short. but the short could have started already, and it will take the market all the way down to either 32 or 25. All right, so the hidden order is still waiting up there, and there's a new one now on the buy side at 47.75. So now we are under POC. So is it gonna go and break out of this to go and finish that 55, or is it gonna keep going? We're in between two hidden orders. Yeah, it's gonna be a challenging day prior to FOMC. Usually the market likes to set itself up for a long run during FOMC. So either to go and hit the 4,000s to then go above 4,100, or maybe today finish at 4,100 to then go under 4,000. All right, Dave. That was not a hidden order. I mean, it was a hidden order, not an iceberg, right? So we're looking like what? Which one is it? Scenario 2. So something, we're going to have a big move. So it's either waiting for that report, which it's not really a big deal, but something big is going to happen. Why are they going to go all the way up to the 70s? Or we're going to have a major meltdown to go all the way down to 32 or 25. Ooh, my squawk box is off. Come on, squawk box. All right, this hidden order is, this port structure is done. All right, what is the NQ doing? NQ is going for a really nice stretch to the upside. All right, 55 is hit. Good morning. So now, anywhere within here, there could be a short opportunity, but you need to be careful that this could be support. Again, I'm going to wait a little bit more. Don't want to get caught up in the chop. I'll be trading like a 50K account. So there could be a long from 52. So
In a minute's time,
stop.
we'll get the US S&P Global Flash PMIs of February. And manufacturing expects to come in at 47.1 from the prior 46.9.
Stop.
Services 47.2 from 46.8. And finally, composite 47.5 from 46.8.
Stop. 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 Why isn't it stopping? So tricky area. Could either be a long or a short. I wouldn't do anything. Nothing is clear, but could be a long from 52 or a short from here. Delta is 4,300 on the RTH, 4,700 negative on the ETH. Oh, the report did do something. This is why I was waiting. That hidden order is still at 47.75. Still in scenario 2. There could be a short. But you always want to wait a little bit to let things calm down after a report. But then also on the other hand, you could miss a big move. But as a beginner, or you're trying to grow your account, wait.
Viral, accelerating service sector price growth, and all that calls for higher interest rates, which could in turn subdue the recent expansion.
All right, if it goes up to anywhere in here, there could be a short opportunity. From here, I'm tempted to take a short here. All right, I'm going to try a short. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. I'm right in the middle, high risk trade. Just looking for a test of 45. Come on, sellers. Let's go. Stop messing around. Go, 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 go. Hot knife. Go, go, go. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Go, go. Yes. Woo. Stop at entry. Stop at entry. Stop at entry. 32 runner. Actually, I'm going to go for 33. Stop at entry. So looking for a runner to run here. So stop at entry, risk off. So the short was at 55, huh? But it wasn't clear. Again, I'm trading like a small account. I need the clear. So it's looking more and more.
Across markets here, following US S&P Global.
It's looking more and more like scenario 2.
Decent data across the board and did beat on all metrics. As such, in ways that have seen downside in UST.
What is the high? 56. So not quite our target of 57.
Bonds. Also, we're looking across
Hot number is 25, but it could stop anywhere between 32 and 30.
Differentials. As such, because with the data, it does continue to highlight.
I'm going to be conservative and go for 33. Go, 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 go. New lows. Hit it. Go, go, go. POC is not moving. There's interest at 40. Hidden order waiting at 42 and a quarter. We need NQ to break opening price. It's hesitating. YM has broken opening price. So is the Russell. The NQ is the only one that's holding out, which seems like it's holding the ES. We need NQ to pass 220. Oh, I forgot.
Absorption, yes.
Absorption, buy. That's what we want. All right. Where is it? 40, 45. All right, we have our extension range target to the downside is going to be 44,005, and then to the upside is 4085. So this is where the market can go today. These are the range. That is the range. So NQ hit opening price and it bounced. Let's see if we can find resistance here. So there could be an entry or an add-on at 45. I would be careful with testing 50. All right, may take me out here. But there could be an entry here at anywhere between 48 and 52. That damn NQ blocked our trade. There's interest at 50, 290 orders waiting. But if you are looking to enter, there, be careful with 45. It could be a block. All right, I'm gonna add one. I'm gonna take a chance here on one. One more. I'm gonna split it. High risk add here. NQ. Then wasn't happy about going under opening price. So there's a chance that I may give some money back here. Still interest at 50. I need to be at 53.
In around 5 minutes,
And
top of the hour, we'll be getting
51.
US existing home sales for January, expected at 4.1 million from the prior 4.02 million.
Come on, come on.
Got potential change.
There could be a hold here.
From the prior, down at 1.5%. Just continues to keep an eye on the fixed income.
It's holding.
US data. US 10-year T-note does continue to print fresh on lows here. Just beneath
NQ is not helping at all.
Meanwhile, that recross does continue to the European counterparts, and also at session lows.
We have lost a lot of the overnight delta. Come on, NQ, let's go. All right, I have my target hovering to exit. All right, I'm gonna actually change it up, and I'm gonna have the stop hovering to exit.
3.94%. Up to levels.
Actually, I'm gonna move it to entry.
Which is a fib for the 10-year. See past that is the 4%.
All right, need NQ to hot knife. 28, 228. Go, go, go. Come on. Hot knife, new low. Go, go, go. NQ again being blocked. Buyers are obviously going to come in now. Double bottom. Need to make a vicious new low. Go, 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 go. NQ. Go, NQ. Need NQ to make a new low also. It's struggling. It's struggling. NQ's not going. NQ didn't want to. I'm taking profits. NQ not happy with even going under opening price. Take me out. Freaking NQ. Should have had a little more in that. I almost cleared at 41. All right, up $118 for a small account. I should be done. If I have 25K account, I should be calling it a day. I'm gonna take one more trade here. Don't want to give any money back. So NQ is struggling. So are we still on scenario? Where is it? So are we still on scenario 2? Or are we starting scenario 4?
WSJ citing sources. Does know China Xi Jinping does plan a Russian visit as Putin.
Look at that. Took me out to go lower.
WSJ sources. Just a bit further to piece by WSJ. It does note She is
I
preparing
got
to visit
tricked.
with Putin in the coming months.
Got tricked. I was too tight, but I'm happy. It could have gone the other way. Look at that. Ah! Got tricked. But again, better be
Now to the top of the hour, be on the lookout
cautious
for
than
US
sorry.
home sales for January, expected at 4.1 million from the prior 4.02 million. It's to be up 2%.
Hidden order waiting at 38 and a quarter. So either it's gonna keep going or it's gonna try to find some stops at 40, 42 area, or we're going all the way up. So you can see that we're making new lows, but we're struggling. It's not, woo! Ah, my God.
4 million below the expected 4.1 million. It's down 0.7% month on month. Just recapping that data, existing home sales print 4 million beneath the expected at 4.1 million, and the prior
It was a good trade.
4.03 million. That is down 0.7% month on month.
It was a good trade after all. Almost to target.
And just seeing the inventory
Oh well.
for January, that's 980,000 units, which is 2.9 months worth.
So we've gone down 10 points from opening, and the delta has actually gone up. So do not trust these lows. They're being absorbed. NQ above opening price again. So NQ is not happy with these lows that could be setting themselves up for FOMC. Anybody have any questions? Let me know. All right, let me check, see if anybody's have any issues logging in.
An update from the European Commission just stating that EU grain export-import data will not be published this week due to persisting technical issues.
Delta keeps going up. Just went up about 1,000. So we may have a little long opportunity to go all the way to 45, but we are so close to 25 that it would be high risk, but there could be a scalping opportunity. Yeah, it could be a scalp all the way to 46 or 45. High risk trade.
They expect comps in the first half will be slightly lower than the second half of the year.
Go all the way up. Yes, the beeping is the, what is it called? The market pulse on Bookmap. Yes, absolutely love it. It gives me the feel that I'm back in the pit. Let me know if it's too loud. I'll turn it down. Oh, it's the best. It is. You get into the rhythm of the momentum, but one of them is missing. So it's supposed to be price and volume, and all I have is price. Maybe I have to reinstall it. I don't know, but I'm not getting any volume. Yeah, if you don't have Bookmap, I suggest you get in it. I usually have a link in my description. Go and check it out. And if you get it, I suggest getting TTW. All right, something is going to happen here, guys. Something is going to happen. We're either going to go for that 32 or we're going back up. Oh, NQ is going for new lows. There could be a short here at 40. All right, I'm going to go for it. One lot. One lot. Come on, sellers. One little lot. There's interest at 34. High risk trade here can go either way. Obviously, buyers are trying to come in. I need to be actually higher here. So one lot, I can risk going higher. And I was wrong. May add one more here. Come on, sellers, let's go. So completely different view from the IQ. IQ has spent most of its time above price, and the ES so far most of its time below opening price. And there it is, high risk trade, as I thought. I'll give myself a little more room here since it's just a one lot. But yeah. Right, if this holds here, all right, I'm gonna add my other one right here. Come on, baby, let's go. High risk trade, high risk add. I'm gonna clear everything at 35. But it can go all the way as low as 25. So I'm just looking for a little ABC down. Come on, go, go, go. Go, go, go. There's interest at 35. Keep saying I need to change the color on this Bookmap order book because for some reason I can't see it anymore. gonna give myself a little more room here. The one I'm going for a stop hit at 46. It's been a hot number. Probably stops right above. Come on, sellers. Let's. Oh my God. Delta went up quite a lot. So don't know if we're gonna go any lower unless we get a major sellout here. Come on, keep going, keep going. All right, I have my stop hovering, ready to exit. Maybe I can.
YQEJTZGK says not seeing
Maybe we
wage
can get
price
out here
spiral
with
in
some
Eurozone.
small
Think
carnage.
Nominal wage growth is
If I'm
possibly
wrong,
catching up. That's according to comments with Finnish broadcaster YLE.
it's struggling, finding a lot of
Eurozone.
resistance here.
I think quick nominal wage growth
The
is
40s.
catching up.
Come on, go, 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 go. Stop at entry. I'm going to go to 36. Oh, it's struggling. Go, 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 go. Stop is hovering. It's struggling. Yeah, the delta could be a sign. The delta could be a sign that the buyers don't want this to go any lower. Go, 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 go. Hot knife. Go, go, go. Go, go. Push that baby. Push that baby. Push that baby. Go, go, go. Stop at entry. I'm out. Oh, my God. I dropped it at the wrong time. 36 again. I dropped it at the wrong time. Go, 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 hot knife. Go, go. Oh, yes. Yes. All right, I'm happy. 156. All right, I am done trading for a small account. Difficult day, FOMC. I am done.
Thanks for the guide to noting that what comes after March hike will be data
So,
dependent. They intend to hike rates by 50 basis points.
if you can't, if you have made any money, if you're where I'm at, if you cannot hold yourself, so I suggest you putting everything on sim. If you can't hold yourself and still look at the charts, I suggest calling it the day. I suggest calling it the day. On Friday, I took one trade in the midday, and then I switched everything to sim just in case I feel like taking a trade. Oh, there we go. That was a good short. You know, it has become so automatic to me to go and put it on sim that there has been times that I have gone back from a break or something and put on a trade and then find out 5 minutes later that, oh my God, I'm on sim. It's like, oh shit. So it's a good habit, but in my age, sometimes I forget to put it back. All right, guys, this is the area where it could all stop. So again, yeah, I think it's only about either a second or a 2-second delay. All right, here we are. Major area. All of this could hold the market, but be careful with longs because we still have 25. Ah, that was a nice short. All right, I need to switch everything to sim. So again, I'm not taking any more trades. I'm trading this like if I was going for a evaluation. You know, don't be in a hurry to pass your evaluation and get funded. You know, don't be, what do they say? A penny wise and a pound foolish. You're in a hurry to go, oh, you know, and then you lose it all because you're in a hurry to either not pay another month or, yeah. All right. Make sure that all of these charts are on sim. So this would be the area. If it breaks this, we can go all the way to 4,100. I mean, 4,000, sorry. So I should have stayed on that trade short from 46, but I'm being cautious. I'm going for 4 to 5 points. Hidden order waiting at 30.75. All right, now that I'm not on a trade, I'm gonna see if I can reinstall this pulse, because there's supposed to be volume and price. All right, turn that off. I want to remove it. Remove, add, market pulse, add. Market pulse, load. Still not giving me volume. I wonder why. Maybe they removed the volume. I'm gonna go for an older version. I think I still have one. All right, look at that bounce. So if you guys recall, said there could have been a long from either 32 or 25. So again, longs are 4 to 5 points, 6 maximum. I know that, you know, I mean, even myself as a intraday swing trader, I like to go for those 15, 20 points. Oh, okay. That hidden order was actually an iceberg, 420. So we're either going to go all the way back to the mid 40s, or this iceberg is a sell to take us down to 25 or 12. So this could be a clue here. It did not break 37. So that could be a sell iceberg. I always say, don't put your eggs in a basket. All of in a basket is an iceberg. But they are clues of what the market is trying to do. So how does an iceberg affect the market? Traders think, what does that person know that I don't know? Why is he going in 420 lots? That's a big order, right? So you always want to go with the large trades, right? Because they are dictating the market. They're a longer time frame trader. So you want to go with them. So that can create momentum. Looks like it's trying to hold here. And Q was really happy with that 230 zone. It may want to test that again. Man, my options put was 1 week late. Should have had a longer. Yeah. Should have had a longer expiration on it. I would have been deep in the money right now. Right, looks like 35 is holding. This could be the short opportunity to go all the way down to 25. All right, I'm going to move the chart here. Please remind me if it goes out of this. Every time I move this, I usually forget. And last time I had a really nice trade and nobody saw it. I mean, saw it hit target. So there could be a short from here. Obviously, you need to be under leverage because you may have to have your stop above 40. But can't forget the iceberg. Can't forget that this is where the market stops. So longs right now are high risk. All right, where is that pulse? See if I can find the old pulse. Here it is. I found it. So I need to remove the new one. All right, market pulse. Remove. Delete. Yes. Oh, it's being used. I can't delete unless I close my bookmap. But I thought I'd removed it. All right, I guess I gotta do that afterwards. All right. Close, close. All right, here we go. So at the opening, the RTH delta was at 4,000 something negative. Now we're only 2,000 negative. So they're buying all of these dips. So this could be a clue. Again, it's another indicator that you can't put all of your eggs in one basket with, but sometimes it's a clue of what the market is trying to do. On the RTH, it's 7,300 on the plus side. So I think that this area here is gonna hold. And if you read my pre-market analysis, I think that the market is gonna end in the 50s. It's gonna be right in the mid. Buyers and sellers uncertain of FOMC. Are we gonna go above 4,100 or are we gonna go under 4,000? So I believe it will go under 4,000 and will start the downtrend. All right, so 32. Anywhere from here, it could be over. Yeah, I'm gonna keep saying this over and over. If you are on a evaluation, you need to take your time. Don't think, oh, I'm gonna go and pass evaluation and then I'm good to be my own and make money. This is a journey. You're not going for a weekend trip to Vegas. This is a cross-country trip, journey. If 31 holds, this could be the long also. So right now, if I was to take any trades, I would actually sit. If I was trading, I would sit in my hand and maybe lose the opportunity for a 25. But this could be a stop pick here, and the market is going down to 25. So this last little swing up, stop pick, boom, short. So it's still the same trade, but now it is just, now it's clearer. But it looks like NQ is trying to be a party pooper. So if you read my report last night, a lot of companies in the NQ are doing well. So it's a mixed, we're getting mixed messages as far as the market. And it's clear because we're still within a range that we've been for the past 2 months. All right. So this opening has created a lot of poor structure. So it goes from 44 all the way up to the RTH high. And we also have some poor structure here. So I'm seeing signs of hitting either 30 or 25 and bouncing to go and Pac-Man the poor structure. But we need to be careful here to see if get any retail longs here. But short all the way to 25. So that would have been from 35 or maybe even 32. So at least a 5-point trade. Hidden order waiting at 30.50. Where's my squawk box?
Coated steel products. Not seen the details just yet, just a headline announcement. CLF has announced price hikes for hot rolled, cold rolled, and coated steel products.
If you also read on the pre-market analysis, all of this is all hot target area.
Of $100 per net ton, and it will be effective immediately for all new orders.
So if this area could hold, this is a long to probably go all the way up to 50, but will probably go sideways for a while if it does hold. But you never know. But from anywhere in here, we can go all the way back up to 43.
Absorption, yes.
That's a little loud. So heads up, tomorrow afternoon, we shouldn't even be looking at the market. FOMC. Anyone who bought the afternoon, if you wanna trade, let me know. Otherwise, I'm not planning on narrating, but it's your guys' call. But I will not be taking any trades tomorrow afternoon. But if you still want to look at the market, we can. We'll talk about it tomorrow. But again, if you know, there are some people that cannot hold themselves. You know, and if you are one of those people, you need to figure it out and be honest with yourself.
US Russia geopolitics.
Best not even to look at the market.
Says the US and its allies are going after Russia's supply chains, including drone production in Iran.
But I will be not taking any trades. There could be a little opportunity right at the opening, but it's only about half an hour. FOMC, CPI, there's only about a half hour opportunity during those days. And then the market goes sideways and they just wait. Yeah. Let me know. We'll talk about it tomorrow. And this afternoon, I am narrating, but chances are it's going to be pretty hard also because they will be waiting for FOMC. So there probably won't be much opportunity, but we'll definitely need to go and take a look at it. All right, here we are. All right, that's done. So this is, when is this from? This support structure is from.
And a bit more from Treasury's Adeyemo. Has only seen limited support for Russia from China. Says that Chinese companies are keen to stay connected
From last
to the
month.
economy.
The 26th and the 30th is when we were last up here. So almost 1 month ago since we were last here. Right. A lot of buy orders are coming in. Be careful with a pullback. Looks like it may not want to go to 25. Or if it does, it will bounce straight out of 25.
China's top diplomat Wang Yi now speaking from Moscow. China-Russia relations are solid. They will withstand.
Here comes the buyers.
Situation.
So this is the last chance for a short here. Otherwise, we're going at least all the way to 40. Look at that. As I said, it starts to move up. But yeah, I was noticing it was struggling. And Delta, wow, 9,600, and we are positive on the ETH, electronic trading hour. We are positive. So they are buying these lows. Right, so what scenario could this be? So we went all the way up, what was it? The high is 55. So still looking like scenario 2, but instead of 25, it's 30. So either we're gonna go all the way back up, or we may want to just go back up to 40 to then crash and go and finish going all the way to 4,000. So it was a solid trade from 45 all the way to 30. But I'm not upset. I'm following my small account rules. If this doesn't hold here, this is the add-on for the short. All right, POC just moved down. So something big is going to happen. A lot of orders are taking place. I think we're going back up. Be careful if you're short. So it moved from, big move, from all the way from 49.75, actually 49.50, to all the way down here. So something big. It's going to happen. All right, let's see what you said here. Personally, if you're not trading, I am not trading. No copy your trades. But if you're have 35 years experience, yeah, I mean, it's, opportunities will always be there. Take care, John. Opportunities will always be there. Again, I don't know what it is with people on evaluations, but they're always in a hurry, and they're thinking that they're missing out opportunities if they don't. You don't have to trade every day. You don't have to trade every single day. Once you get your account to a certain size, then you could trade every day. But even I don't trade every day, and I have enough in my account to trade every day, and I don't trade. It's not. I mean, I don't want to say it's a luck thing, but you don't want to push your luck. That's what it is. You don't want to push your luck. And here we are up to 37. But it's your money, it's your call. You do whatever the hell you want. I'll be here. You want to look at the market? We'll look at the market. But as I said it, I'm not going to risk my money because someone wants to gamble. There's no opportunity. I am not trading. I'm already at a disadvantage. Now, and you guys need to also remember that the institutions, they're not going for,
consumers are, quote, more discerning as prices rise.
turn this down, they are not going for daily gains. They're going for monthly gains. So sometimes, the opportunity is not there for them also. They're looking for monthly returns and yearly returns. This is what they show their customers, their investor. Oh, we give a return of of 0.6% per month, 10% per year, 15% per year. This is what they're going for. So sometimes there's no trades, and then they go and take a huge trade on FOMC, and that keeps adding up for the month or the year. So only retailers are the ones that need to be trading every day, or they think they need to, because they need to go and make money out of it, So, and that puts you at a disadvantage. And the sooner you realize this, the sooner you will be profitable. Slow down, small gains. Once you're doing well and you see that you're profitable, then you raise the amount of contracts. It's all on that trading plan that I sent you guys. If you follow that, you will be successful. But if you're in a hurry, you're going to blow your accounts, you're going to blow your evaluations, you're going to blow your PAs, and then you start the bad habits. That is the worst thing, is when you start. What did they say? Did they say that it takes 12 times for something to become a bad habit, and about 35 times of you doing the opposite consciously to break that. So it's harder to break a bad habit than to make a bad habit. But I'm here for you guys. You want to trade, we'll trade. Once I'm done here, then the afternoon, if I see opportunities, I trade. Otherwise, I go for a walk with Benny. And now I got stuff to do with this website. Man, I'm a little bit overwhelmed. I thought it was going to be a lot easier, but now I have to be advertising and looking for new customers, which I didn't think I was going to have to do that, but it's turning into a business. I may have to hire somebody. If you guys know anybody who does SEOs, let me know, because I don't think I want to deal with that. I was playing around with it this yesterday, and look at that, long all the way to 43 or 45. So it could all stop somewhere here and market come back down. So that iceberg is looking like it was a buy, but the clue was the POC moving down, the point of control moving down. At least that was a clue for me. And I think I said long. It looks like a long here. I think I said that. I don't know. I've been talking a lot this morning. So my analysis so far is right. Long either between 32 and 25. So we could have had at least a 6-point scalp to the upside. Hopefully somebody was paying attention to what I was saying. Now, it doesn't mean that we're done with 25. We may fail here inside of this hot box, inside of this toe area, to come back down. So we were at a double distribution on the volume profile, and now it looks like we're starting to fill in NQ just hit opening price again. So as I mentioned earlier, NQ is quite happy at being at 230. There's a magnet at that price level. All right, guys, I'll be leaving in 15 minutes, top of the hour. All right, this could be support here, an entry to finish this long, but be careful. This looks like momentum, but obviously you have a very structured area to put the stop. So if you're thinking about adding on or going long again, this is just a observation, not a suggestion, because it's pure entertainment. But I would be under leverage to have the stop underneath the low, or at least underneath 31. Yeah, this could be a stop pick here. So it would have been the people who saw the pullback here from 39 when it went up, and they went short at either 39 or 30. I'm sorry, 39 or 38, and had their stops right here. And the market came, picked their stops all the way back down to POC. But we filled in the poor structure. Oh, yeah, that's momentum. Looks like it may want to go to 25. Let's see if we find any buyers here. NQ, it's struggling. See what the Russell's doing. Russell also is not happy on going for new lows. YM either. Only the ES looks like it's trying to push for new lows. But look at that. That's all momentum. All momentum. Yeah. Very tricky. I'm glad I'm out. I probably would have been long here and either would have lowered my stop. So I would have been in trouble here. Above 32, going back up the delta high. Yeah. Let's see. All right, hidden order at 29 and a quarter. So this is either going to be a sell to take us down to 25 or 12, or they are buying this low here The previous one was at 31. Here we are, new lows. YM far from making a new low. Russell far from making a new low, and so is the NQ. All right, that was a hidden order, not an iceberg. Double bottom. Retailers are obviously going to go long. So if you're thinking about shorts, I would thinking about a short right here. Hidden order. So if you're on the short side, this could be the entry right here to go short. But remember, you're selling right at the bottom, and it would be a scalp. But retailers are definitely going long here. Delta's 13,000, 4,000 on the ETH. So they are buying the lows. Yeah, we may get a hit of 25 and then go all the way up like a screaming banshee, all the way up. Or it will start now. But it looks like the market, looks like the buyers are trying to hold it. So there may be, either we're going up now, or there's going to be enough momentum on the sellers to just hit that 25. Here comes the buyers. So I would be thinking of longs. But where is the entry? Is it now, or is it, do we wait for 25? But anywhere in here could all be fail. I think 25 is a hot target. So this all the way down here, scalp, boom, up, all the way up. Hidden order. I forgot to look at the interest on 25.
Absorption, yes.
Absorption. Is it a sell or a buy? I don't know. Hasn't printed yet. Let's see. 25. There are 269 orders waiting at 25. Yeah, so it's looking like that little scalp. So there's a short from here, as I said it, all the way to 25. And then I would be careful if you have more than one. I would scale out and then leave a runner for 12. So the short still good from 45 all the way down, huh? So I got out, but it's still a solid trade, because I did say that the hot target this morning was between 32 and 25. So I'm going to call that as a trade, because most likely I would have, if I was not streaming, I would have stayed on my trade. 20-point trade. So you see how it's struggling? It's making these new lows, but it's struggling. So in this attempt here, we only lost 500 delta. Hidden order waiting at 25 and a 20. No, I'm sorry, 27.50. There's interest at 22, 21, 20. It could all be spoof. All right. NQ just bounced off of his low. YM is far from making a low. And the Russell just made a new low. So that was momentum, huh? I didn't call it short from here, but I definitely noticed that it was momentum from 40. But I believe I did call a long from 32. You could add a 6-point long from 32 all the way to 40.
Geopolitical front, this time from the Kremlin. The spokesperson says Russia's main goal is to ensure that nuclear parity continues to be respected.
So there's been a lot of opportunity this morning. Not easy, but there's been opportunity. YM is not having or making a new low. So what I think is happening is that we're going to hit 25 and YM is going to do almost a double bottom and we're going to bounce. I mean, we're too close to 25 not to hit it, but you never know. But I think it's a solid target. So let's see. YM. But again, I could be all wrong, and here we are going all the way down to 12. All right, guys, I'll be leaving in 3 minutes. Afternoon traders, look out for an email at 11:15. We'll start at 11:25. So, recap. It could fail here, or we do have the support structure starting at 12. So either a long from here or a long from here. But again, we still have 4,000. It's a psychological target. But either way, I think that we are bouncing back up to the 50s. I think that we'll end at the 50s. So there's definitely going to be a long somewhere. Either going to be a 20-point trade or a 35-point trade. Thank you, you too. I'll try not to. Yeah, yeah. I haven't even looked outside yet, see if it's windy, but yeah. All right, guys, I'm done. Thank you. Let me know if there's any questions. I appreciate you all. Thank you. Hopefully, you made some money, learned something. Got anything? Shoot me an email. Otherwise, either I'll see you in the afternoon or I'll see you tomorrow morning. I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Thank you. Take care, everyone. Now, how do I turn this off? All right, guys.